let's jump right in. The month is January. I know that yesterday was the 4th, so if yesterday was the 4th, I'm going to pick up the 5th. It is January 5th, so let's fill that in. 1/5/2021. January 5th, 2021. Remember, let's put our date on everything we do. It's a good habit to get into. Today is Tuesday, which means yesterday was Monday. If yesterday was Monday and today is Tuesday, then tomorrow will be Wednesday. Yesterday we were at school 55 days, 55 plus one more. I have 5 groups of 10 and 6 ones, which means I have 56 days of school. I'm going to do something different. To make 56, I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56. Okay, just showing you a different way you could have done it. Remember, these are our new words. If you are having a hard time reading or writing these, there needs to be more practice happening. Shall, goes, both, again, talk, please. All right, remember, the further our thermometer goes down, the colder it is, and the higher it goes up, the warmer it is. Today I'm going to have it right here, and we're going to go across and see that we are at the number 30. So it is 30 degrees Fahrenheit. On our clock, we still have the second hand, the hour hand, and the minute hand. So I am going to make us a time, and I want you to think about what it is. Okay? So, first we read the baby hand, the hour hand, and I see that it's pointing at 10. And I know when the minute hand is going straight up and down, it means o'clock. So it is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. All right, make it a great day.